Today we are making something creamy and full of flavor, a BBQ Ranch Sauce that is perfect for dipping and drizzling. It comes together with simple ingredients, but the flavor is rich, balanced, and really satisfying. You can find the full recipe with all the exact measurements in the description below. In a bowl, add half a cup of plain yogurt to create a smooth, creamy base. Then mix in 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce and 1 tablespoon of ketchup for that smoky and slightly sweet flavor. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, along with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to bring in a bit of tang and brightness. Give it a quick whisk to bring everything together until it looks smooth and nicely combined. Now sprinkle in half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of dried parsley to build that classic ranch-style flavor. And finish off with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance everything out. Now whisk everything together until the sauce is smooth, creamy, and well combined. If you are enjoying this, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who loves easy, flavorful recipes. And for more recipes like this, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Here you go with your delicious barbecue ranch sauce. This makes about 3/4 of a cup, perfect for dipping, drizzling, or spreading. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes so the flavors can blend and deepen. Give this a try and enjoy how easily it brings everything together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with more recipes where it's all about flavors made simple.